Hi guys, I'm James. Welcome to part 2 of ICM's World War II US Military Patrol, or the Chevy G7107 truck. Now, the reason I've got the instructions in front of me is because I want to point out some rather silly mistakes. And the first one is on page 6 of the instructions. Again, building the fuel tank. Shows this from underneath. No clue as to where the location pin for the fuel tank, for the fuel filler pipe is. In fact, it's not shown on the next page. It is shown on this page, page 9, but it's not shown clearly until we get a lot further. Well, it's shown here, but obviously you can make a howler, which I did, as someone else has as well, of fitting it, and then you've got to scratch your head and, well, basically drill a hole. Now, again, built the deck up, built the load area up, mostly primed it. Got to paint these 3 hoops. Obviously, this one's got the mounting bracket for the machine gun. Again, no mention of that in here. It just says drill a hole, and that's the width of the bar. So you've got to leave the seam line in, drill it through, hope the hell it doesn't break, and these will snap, hence you get a spare one. And again, shows it with the seats folded down, and then a bit further on shows them with it folded up. There we go. Shows it with it folded up there. So obviously you've got to look through for the options for these parts, and they will be found here. This is the mounting bracket for the gun here. And the opposite numbers for those are 50, for the folded up legs for the seats are 15. So you end up it looking like something like that. Okay. Sorry about the light being piss poor, but hey ho. This isn't glued on yet, so it's got to go to be painted. Again, it's a great kit. I just wish they hadn't used copy and paste in it, because they've made mistakes, unfortunately, and mistakes that will catch unwary modelers out. So that's enough of me moaning. This is part. So where we are now, we'll master the windows up. This is a very tight push fit. Again, window glued in and masked up and painted. Again, hole drilled for the fuel filler pipe, and all the cover hubs on the wheels. So yeah, and I had to sort out the roof a little bit because I had a little bit of a problem there. But no, this is a work of art. This load area. It's got so many parts in it. It's got a ridiculous amount of parts in it, and it'll really test the patience of a saint. Again, the right one off, the right brackets off for the exhausts, and that. So this is off. Now this will go to prime these three up, and then I've got to prime up some bits on the sprue on this piece, the door mirror, handles, etc., and the bonnet latches. Again, not sure why, but hey ho. Again, they're going to be absolute pains to get off their sprue, because the single-edged nipper, even though it's a very fine point, you can't get in there with it on there. Let's point those out to you like that. So that's very vexing. Again, the handles that put up the bonnet. Yeah. So that's what we have in this exciting episode. See you later.